Hey guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and today I have this super easy dish to make. I like practical cooking, and this is winter already, so this was like Crockpot day for us. So I just threw everything that I had in the fridge and in the pantry, and we made chicken taco or something with taco flavoring, but it's with chicken. The boys had theirs with hot dog buns, while my husband had with a wrap. So yeah, you can serve it with hot dog buns, as is with veggies, or in a wrap. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So 3/4 cup mixed vegetables, 1 jar of medium salsa, which is 450 milliliter. We're gonna mix that and add in 1 heaping tablespoon of taco seasoning. I'm gonna add another half tablespoon, so 1.5 tablespoon. Add in 1 tablespoon of crushed parsley and 1/2 tablespoon of chives. So just mix it. And using the jar for the salsa, add in half of the jar water. Now I did about 1/4, if not 1/3 cup of creamy dairy spread. This is from Puck. It tastes like cream cheese, so you can substitute it with cream cheese, or you can omit it, but I like it with this. And add in 4 chicken breasts and just coat them with the seasoning we have, and then we're gonna slow cook it for 4 to 6 hours in Crockpot. If you want, you can squirt a little lime, and that's about it. Now this was on high for 5 hours. We're just gonna kind of shred the chicken, or pull the chicken apart, and then we're gonna cook for another 30 minutes to 1 hour.